Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today we'll review yesterday and then make a plan for the day. My stock list has been showing several areas where we can buy. All look good and today looks positive. Maybe optimism is returning, but I do think it's going to be another slower day, another boring day until we get that Fed report tomorrow. But let's see what we got. Let's take a look at investing.com. Well, it says Dow futures are up, and they surely are. Not a lot. And so is the S&P futures. Walmart and Home Depot must have did a good job on their earnings yesterday. Beats estimates on sales. And that based on people had money based on the stimulus. And I know I went in. They got the stimulus checks on Wednesday, and I went to Walmart on Thursday, and lots and lots of TVs were going out the door. Recovery, optimism returns. The dollar slumps. And watch gold today. Gold and the dollar kind of acting funny. Looking at the TradingView charts, this is TradingView is free. Most options are free. It's a really good charting package. They don't have a lot turned off. Check it out if you have a way of analyzing stocks. It allows you to do stock screener, which is very, very good, and develop some listings, stock listings of your favorite stocks. This is my day trade list, Forex, and then I have a listing for my stock that I know and love, ETFs, all green. The four indices are all green today, but again, it's too early to tell. I have a database of over 240 stocks, and I run, these are stocks that I know and love, but not experts. I'm not an expert in each one of those 240. I just know the names, know that they're a good company, meet certain requirements like volume, optionable, that kind of thing. Know some characteristics about it. And then I run an OmniBroker routine to get the RSI singles, the MACD singles, and the stochastic RSI singles. And here they are. And then I go down through the ones that interest me. And these three here, are stocks that I've played options before successfully, and they stay true. That's the OPT. And these seem to work best with the stocks that work best with this indicator. And the T here is trending. Well, let's take a look at a couple of these stocks. I have a Discord chat, and it's free. And you can get this trading list off right here. And you click on that link, and you'll get that trading list. It's updated throughout the day. But again, this is not a trading site, so it's just haphazard and it's updated as I need it. But it gives you a place to start. The first one I'd like to go over is NIO. Everybody's talking about it. All the indicators seem to be pointing on the upward side. This might be its time. And then I drew a Fibonacci sequence, and it looks like 40 is the key number that it's heading to. Now, whether you believe any of that stuff or not, it does appear that NIO has put some real good swings, and it looks like the last two bars have been up. Might be its time. Concept Therapeutics, I haven't played it that much, but the last few days it's been going with that green bars, and the zigzag might be about to change. After here, it doesn't know what it's doing. And reported earnings, we have an RSI buy again, and the MACD buy was a few days ago, so RSI is a little late. Well, the RSI actually is not late, but another criteria for me to get the single is a zigzag has to at least look like it's switching, and that takes 2 days because, as you know, the zigzag, while it might be looking perfect, it always knows what it's doing. It needs to look in the future, and you really can't take a trade on the zigzag unless you wait 2 bars. So it's definitely a lagging indicator, but that's okay. I'm a swing trader, and I'm using a daily time frame, so I miss a day. And that's what I like about it, because yesterday afternoon I was tied up, and it was kind of slow anyway. Dollar Tree, another RSI buy. Looking like a zigzag does look like it goes up, and this looks like an okay trade. Always loved Oracle. One of the first stocks I ever bought. Close to the zero line there. That's not, and even though it's close to the zero line, this does look okay. Oracle is going to be a stock for the future. Going to play heavily in 5G and AI, and you can bet on it. It's around for this. It's here to stay. EPAM Systems. It's not one I played that often. Stochastics buy. Looking okay. Stochastics below the 20 and come back around. We like that. MACD switched. RSI is not really telling us anything, but this looks like a good trade, technically. Visa looks really good. Stochastic SPYs, Stochastic's been good, and the MAC singles has been good, and you got them both. Last 2 bars been up. That gives me the signal, because I always wait the 2 bars on my program. Sometimes I jump the gun personally, but that report waits 2 bars for the zigzag. Visa looks really, really good. I have a love for this stock, so hey, I'm not biased, but I think it's John Deere is going up based on a stochastic RSI. Nice thing. And the stochastic has been true pretty well. You have a stochastic buy here, look good. Stochastic sell here, that looks good. Buy here, look good. You had a couple, and a short, that looked good. But now the zigzag doesn't know what it's doing, so we're assuming it's going up. It looks like it's going up. And you take the John Deere, love it. Temenken, stochastic RSI, comes down below, comes back around, looking good. MACD here does not tell us anything, and the RSI is pointing up. That's great. Can it achieve its all-time high again? Well, this morning looks optimistic. So yeah, okay, is it okay? Anyway, check this Discord out. Check out these other singles. Okay, there's lots of them here to choose from. Before I go, I want to just look at one thing, and we'll look at the heat map for yesterday. It's just wasn't all that grand yesterday. Wasn't all that bad. Just things keep flopping around. A couple of the big boys didn't do so hot. A couple of them did. By the way, Baidu, China, Google did pretty well yesterday. Yeah, very mixed. Energy did pretty well. So, lackluster day yesterday. Very boring. Today might be the same thing, but it looks like it's a little more optimistic. In the morning, it's starting out a little brighter. Check out these stocks. Do your own due diligence. Develop your own strategy and make a bet. Do a paper trade. Do an extra small amount trading and get in the game. You learn faster that way. You learn faster by doing your own work. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the flip. Happy trading.